has events, roundtables, breakfasts with clients, candidates? Yeah. Whenever I have an event, so I do like 3 or 4 roundtables a year with either MDs or recruitment marketers, and we just debate a particular subject. So I did one last week, and it was on how do we manage, you know, the plethora of digital channels that we've got today from a marketing perspective in the recruitment sector. I stick record onto my phone, I record the conversation, and then I plug my headphones in a week later, and I create a white paper, and then I market that out. And that gets me meetings, and that's why I do it. I don't do it to buy all these people a nice lunch, although they get a nice lunch, but I do it to try and win more business. So make sure that if you're running an event, leverage every last drip out of it. You know, the people that are coming, ask them a question so you can get a survey, produce a white paper off the content. And if it's something that's quite sensitive, or you think your clients don't want to be quoted, you know, they might say something and they say, well, don't use that. What I've done with these white papers is said, okay, Chatham House rules. You won't, you know, nobody will be attributed any quote. All I'll say is who was there. So at the beginning of the white paper, I just say who the delegates were, and then I write up the report. So people then feel a bit more free about what they can and can't say. So use your events to create white papers, and then use those as marketing collateral.